Hello everyone, I am Dilip Parmar, research analyst at HDFC Securities. April becomes the bad month for Indian rupee as it was the worst performing currency among Asian peers. Sharp surge in the virus cases and implementation of lockdown and restrictions could weigh on Indian rupee. Worsening situations will adversely impact the economy and slower, which can turn out to be the slower growth and higher deficit for this year. Along with that, higher commodity prices could also increase the chances of inflation. While on another hand, central bank has turned dovish in his last policy meeting and focused on growth rather than inflations. All these come together along with the overvaluations condition in REER could weigh on USD INR in coming days. Spot USD INR ended the month with gains of 1.33% or 97 paise to 74.08, which is the steepest appreciation since March last year. Looking ahead, data suggests May month remains bullish for the USD INR. As we had seen 9 out of last 10 years, the pair has given a positive close with average gain of 1.57%. Along with the historical data, technical setup also supporting the USD INR to move ahead. On a level front, the spot USD INR expected to trade in the range of 73 to 76 this month with the positive bias. As we move forward, the dollar index is also looking bullish, as we can see that as the concerns of rising inflations turning out, the 10-year treasury bond yield also moving higher, which directly supporting the higher dollar. From the level front, ICE dollar index likely to appreciate in coming month with resistance at 92 followed by 93.50. 92 is the 200 DMA, while on a support side 90.30, which is nothing but a trend line adjoining 89.20 and 89.68, remains the major support. The bias remains positive till 90.30 holds on a daily basis. Thank you all and have a great week ahead.